Hello guys and welcome back to ANTARES. In today's video we're gonna talk about how to download, install and run Wondershare Filmora for free, and that too full version. Just click here, Wondershare Filmora. Just hit enter. You don't need to type download because it will automatically take you to the official website. I will give the link in description. You don't need to do this all, okay? I'm opening the first link here. I'll give the link in description. You can download it from there directly. And here you can see Filmora 9, Empower Your Imagination. Click on free download, and it's 1 MB file. Don't worry about that. It's not so small file. It will download the it will download online as you click the setup. As you run the setup, it will start downloading the software online itself. Just click install. It will take plenty of time. You need to sit back and relax. First it will complete the installation, so I'm gonna skip the video, okay? So as you can see, the downloading process might be done. I don't know, let's click on start. It is Wondershare Filmora 9, the latest version. I have been downloading it right now in front of you guys. I have been using the 8th version. I think Wondershare Filmora 8. I don't know about this. I've heard that this version came out. See? What the hell? It's completely installed. I did not thought that it would be. Let's open a new project. Oops. It's completely installed, guys, as you can see. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. I will upload the video of how to register Wondershare Filmora 9 for free, and that too very soon. For that, subscribe to my channel because registering this software is really very important.